Hey, thanks for watching, everybody. My name is Kevin Brown. I'm with All Star Medical, and today we're going to talk about the all-new Cricket Folding Power Wheelchair by Golden Technologies. This is one of their newest power chairs that they have out. It is 100% carbon fiber, and it also has a 300-pound weight capacity. So pretty unique in the folding power wheelchair realm. Typically, you don't have a 300-pound weight capacity in a chair like this, so that's a big plus for a chair like this. You're also going to notice that when you see me fold this up, how easy it is to transport and travel with. It's very unique. The overall weight is actually 33 pounds. And that's something that most of your chairs like this are weighing in the 60s, 90 pounds. This one's, again, 33. So a couple features that I want to touch base on. You have flip up armrest. Push this button and your armrest will flip up. That's a standard you won't hardly find in any of these chairs because most of them are rigid and they fold with the frame, but this one has a unique feature right there. So it's really nice. The battery on the front is right here. There's a little lever. I'm going to push this lever and just slide it out. So this is your battery. It is a 12 amp, 24 volt lithium ion battery. Very small, very compact, easy to take off if you want to. It saves you a couple pounds when you are traveling and things like that, but all you have to do is just slide it back in the screw, raise the little lever up, and it clicks back in. Okay, so that's, again, a nice feature. When it comes to it does have a cushion that is Velcro on. You can take this off and clean it, but you could always, if you ever wanted a different cushion, you could get one, make it a little thicker or something like that. So that's a feature that it has as well. Your footrest is made out of carbon fiber as well. It will flip up and get out of the way. So when you're trying to transfer, if you transfer from the front or the side, it doesn't get in the way. It really folds up nicely and it's easy to deal with. It does have a compartment under here, a storage little area, a little bag that is hooked there. I wouldn't say it's the most convenient thing, but it is handy if you were putting something in here. It has a zipper pouch that you can deal with. It comes with a seat belt as well that's standard with it. Just like most of your power chairs, you can disengage the motor, so you could push it if the battery went out and just engage back. It even shows it on the side of the motors how to do it and what goes where. When it comes to the folding side, there's a lever right here. All I have to do is unclick that and fold this down. So when I go to pick up, that's 33 pounds, okay? Want to raise it back up and unfold it, or I'm sorry, fold it back up. Just do that. The storage on here, it is airline approved, so sorry I didn't mention that earlier. It is airline approved. Your clearing, ground clearance is 2.6 inches. Your turning radius is 22 inches. So that's something I don't always show, but I'm trying to do a little bit better job of, is when you're in the chair, it turns really tight. So it's very easy. Turns on a dime. 22 inches, really tight turning radius. So if you're in a small apartment, small room, need to get around, that's where this can really come in handy. You have your charge port right here. So you can actually charge the chair from this charge port. And I'm going to raise this up so you can kind of see that. It's right there. Also has a USB port. So you can charge your phone, tablet, anything you need to there. With a quick turn of the knob, you can take this remote off. You can also put it on the opposite side. It has it where you can do it for either side. So very, very convenient, easy to deal with. We have these here at All Star Medical. You can order them online at allstarmedicalllc.com. We do free shipping. I recommend do the free shipping. Don't do a white glove delivery because there's really not much into the setup. You're just literally adding the remote, the battery pack, put the cushion on, and you're ready to go. So I would just do the free delivery option. again, if you're looking for something portable, Golden Technologies has really done a great job here with the Cricket, so highly recommend this chair. If you have questions or concerns, note that in the comments below or give us a call at 615-730-9438.